In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fast-paced AI short in InVideo. We'll walk through everything from opening the site to generating a complete, high-energy short so you can move quickly and confidently. First, head over to InVideo in your browser. On the home page, start by creating a new AI video. This tells the platform you want its AI to handle the heavy lifting, writing a script, picking visuals, and assembling the timeline automatically. If you're prompted to sign in, just follow the on-screen instructions and then come back to the main creation screen. Next, choose Create a Short Video. Shorts are designed for quick, punchy content that's perfect for social platforms. This option keeps your project tight and focused, so the pacing feels brisk and attention-grabbing. Now select Very Fast-Paced, then pick the platform you prefer. Choosing a platform helps InVideo tailor the format for that destination. Things like aspect ratio, safe zones, and caption sizing. For vertical experiences like Shorts, Reels, or TikTok, pick a vertical setup. If you plan to repurpose later, just choose the platform that matches your primary goal today. Fast-paced means quick scene changes, energetic music, and bold on-screen text, so it's ideal for tips, promos, or announcements. Type in your topic to guide the AI. Be specific about the angle and audience. For example, instead of a broad theme, include what the viewer should learn, who it's for, and the tone you want. If there's a key hook or takeaway, mention it right in your topic prompt so the AI builds the video around it. Before generating, tweak the settings for better results. Set the tone to match your brand, casual, professional, or hype. Pick the voice style and language that suit your audience. Adjust music intensity to match the fast pacing, and keep clip length short to maintain momentum. You can also refine caption style, media preference, and the overall energy level. A clear topic and aligned settings make the output feel cohesive and on brand. When everything looks good, click Proceed. This moves you into the final confirmation stage. Then click Generate. The AI will begin creating your video, assembling a script, voiceover, visuals, transitions, and captions based on your choices. Wait for the generation to complete. Depending on your internet speed and project complexity, it may take a minute. You'll see the finished short once the process wraps up. That's it, you're done. You've created a fast-paced AI short in InVideo from start to finish using a streamlined, reliable workflow.